This mini loader is compact, flexible, and a must-have for home use. The operation console is clearly zoned and there are indicator diagrams, making the operation more concise. Its compact size allows it to shuttle back and forth between door frames, elevators, courtyards, and farms. The rubber tracks it uses will not cause damage to the ground either. Maximum unloading height A, 64, 96 inch. The bucket can hold 0.1 cubic meters of goods. Maximum lifting force, 8 to 6, 73 lb. Would you like such a mini loader?